Hi, good day and welcome to today's class. Today's class is a continuation of our previous classes on set. In today's class, we shall be taking exercises on complement of set. Complement of a set A is said to be a group of elements that can be found in the universal set but cannot be found in set A. With that knowledge, let's look at some exercises. Exercise 1 says, if universal set is given to be a set of elements 11, 12 to 20, and the set A, which is a subset of the universal set, has elements 11, 13, 15, and 17, as well as set B to be a subset of set A with elements 13, 12, 13, 14, 16, 19, and 20. Also, set C is said to contain elements 17, 18, 19, and 20. The question says we should find A complement. A complement means those elements you can find in the universal set but are not found in set A. So, all you need to do is to compare set A with that of the universal set and pick out those elements that are in the universal set but are not in set A. These sets of elements are said to be the complement of A. So, A complement gives us 11 is a member of set A, 12 is not a member, so 12 is a complement of A, 13 is in A, we have 14, 15 is in A, so I have 16, 17 is in A, so we have 18, 19, and 20. So these are the elements of A complement, while B complement are said to be elements you can find in a universal set but are not in B. So in A, we have, in universal set, we have 11, of which 11 is not in B. So we have 11 to be an element of B complement, 12 is in B, 13 is in B, 14 is in B, so 15, 16 is there, 17 is not, 18, 19 is there, and 20. So these are the elements of B complement. While C complement, in C, we have elements 17, 18, 19, 20. So when you compare it with the universal set, you will discover that elements from 11 to 16 are not in C. So these are said to be the elements of C complement. So in C, we have elements 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 as C complement. D says we should find A union B complement. A union B means all that is in A plus all that is in B without repetition. So I have 11, 12, there's 13, there's 14, 15, 16 is there, 17 is there, we don't have 18, so we have 19, and then 20. Now I have gotten all that is in A and B without repetition. For us to get A union B complement, we will now compare what we have in A union B with that of the universal set and figure out those that are not in A union B. This gives us A union B complement. So this includes 11 is in the universal set, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 is not here, and 18 happens to be the A union B complement. That is the only element we have in A union B. E bracket A union C complement will be equal to, we'll first of all look for A union C. Get the elements of A union C. Sorry. A union C means all the elements you can find in A and C without repetition. So we have 11, 13, 15, 17, 18, 19, and then 20. We can then look for A union C prime. So we are going to compare A union C with that of the universal set and fish out those elements that are in the universal set but are not in A union C. So I will go in ascending order. We have 11 is in A union C, so this is 12, 13 is there, 14 is not there, 15, 16, 17 is there, 18 is there, 19 is there, and 20. So these are the elements of A union C. Let's go to F. F says we should look for bracket A intersection B prime. So as usual, we'll first of all get our A intersection B, meaning those elements that can be found in A and B only. So when you compare A and B, you will discover that we have 13. 13 is in A and B. I think 13 should be the only element there. Therefore, A intersection B prime are those elements you can find in the universal set but are not in A intersection B. And that I will confidently tell you are elements from 11 to 20 excluding 13. So that includes 11, 12, 13. Okay, I said excluding 13. So 13 is not part of it. (11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So these are the elements of A intersection B prime. G says A intersection C prime. We'll first of all look for A intersection C, and A intersection C, you compare elements A and C together. Those elements you can find in A and C, and 17 happens to be the only element in A and C. So A intersection C prime now gives you elements 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, and 20. So these are the elements you can find in the universal set and not in A intersection C. That brings us to the end of today's class on exercises on complements of a set. I told you that complements of a set A is said to be those elements you can find in the universal set but cannot find in the set A. Thank you for staying to the end of this class. In our next class, we shall be bringing you more on sets. Kindly like our videos, share to your friends, and also subscribe if you have not done that. Thank you and do have a nice day.